One of the questions that I get a lot when working with short hair is how you make those amazing colors come together and look perfectly blended. It's your boy PapiBlendzz back again with another level 3 Kray color video. And you guys know me, I work with a lot of short hair. And today I have a very specific model who has dreadlocks on top but has a buzz cut on the sides where I normally do creative colors in. And today we have two different looks that you guys could see here. And in both, I incorporated what is the color melt, meaning I combined a few colors to achieve a nice melt in order for me to create a dope, cool design on top of that melt. Let me share with you guys some tips and tricks on how to achieve a color melt on short hair. As you guys can see here, I'm using my level 3 Kray colors to create this color melt. As for example, in this design, we can see that I'm using electric red, electric pink, and red. I'm combining those three colors together. Once I apply those three colors in a line, I'm going to come with the thin side of the comb and I'm gonna blend those colors in together, combing those colors into one another. And you guys can see here, it looks beautiful and ready to add these amazing black flames that I decided to add on top. And this next design, I decided to use these three colors right here, which is our red, yellow, and orange. This time I started with my darker color because I was looking for a more defined line around the neck area and around the ear. And then from that red, I followed up with a little bit of orange melting into my yellow. And that gave me a beautiful sunset look into where I was able to apply these beautiful dope drips dripping from top to bottom, making them seem like they're part of the dreadlocks that are dripping. These are cool designs that you can create in short hair by applying these tips and tricks that I just showed you guys. So make sure you visit us at L3VEL3.com if you want to acquire some of the level 3 Kray colors, which you guys can see you can achieve some creative and amazing dope designs and super dope for your social medias. Once again, it's your boy PapiBlendzz. Catch you guys on the next one. Let's go.